joyful day and a wonderful life to all of you. It's indeed a great pleasure and a good feeling to meet all of you through this introduction webinar. Uh, Meeting all of you is such an happy thing where we are now about to know about something really very powerful about life, about you, about the happenings of your life. And knowing that as a knowledge is what is very, very powerful. This education is a very powerful education. And there are so many of you who are connected right now in this webinar, in this introduction session, to educate yourself with respect to the power of who you are and the knowledge about life and the creation process of all the experiences that you really want to experience in your life and live a life of your discretion, life of your choice. And we are very happy to meet such people through this wonderful and powerful segment right now. We're very happy, much appreciation for your connection, for your attention, giving your time, giving your listening to this powerful knowledge about you, about life, and that lifetime knowledge. Lifetime knowledge. Really wonderful. As people are flowing in and getting registered, we'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Jaydev Sharma from India, operating from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, being in this journey of unfolding this powerful knowledge to people who are attracting this very powerful knowledge, to the people who are attracting this for last 20 years, more than 20 years. And last 8 years, we formed this beautiful and powerful powerhouse organization, Inner Connection, mentoring the mentors, where people are evolving in their life, knowing about the powerful factors we have been only knowing through our mind. We all know the power of mind, and that mind has been only exposed to the outside of you and the external of you. That is what is known as external of you, and the methods and the belief systems external, and the happenings external, the messages, the informations, the influences that are coming from external, and totally the mass consciousness minds. Most of the mind has been only exposed outside, and the people who are succeeding, people who are living well by default, all their own on their own, but they are living well, and then they are living the life of their choice and leading a good life. And those people, when you study their mind, that mind is inwardly focused. It has been trained, it has been really educated with the internals of life, not only the externals of life. Yeah, we should know about externals, we should know the happenings, but the decisions, more importantly, the choices that you make, and more powerfully, the vibrations with which you live life. That is what is your life is all about. And here, inner connection, we are playing that role of bridging that gap between you and the internal, so that you can live your externals really very well, your life, the happenings of your life, the experiences that you want to experience. That's what we are most happy and joyful about, to meet people who are the same wavelength, to know what this is, and then and who are ready to educate themselves, and not only stopping to educate themselves, but gaining the mastery of this knowledge. We are very humble right now to give you, whatever we can say, thanks for it or appreciation for you, to give your valuable time to this powerful knowledge of who you really are. Really wonderful. This is our journey. So this is what it is. This is an intro session about a particular education of the energy that you are. A lot of people are now talking about it. It's in the lip service kind of a thing. Knowing something from the books and other things, attractions, and we talk about so many things, but very powerful, very wonderful, very well-meaning people are unfolding certain things that they know, and then that they are practicing or living, whatever it is, really good. But here, certain authenticity is laid here, And in this authenticity of who you are, as you listen it very, very, religiously, you don't want to use the word carefully, religiously, if you take it very true and genuinely, when you keep listening to this intro session, it will lead you to one thing, that this is what you are, and you're supposed to live certain principles, certain principles which is known as existential intelligence. You, as a human, you are an existence, and there is an intelligence in that existence, and that is what is known as existential intelligence, which is not much available anywhere. But life is operating on only on that intelligence, only on that intelligence. Whatever may be the field, whatever may be, we can talk about trend of the world or anything, but your life, your personal life, you personally, you and your personal life, not only the life that you are living with others, family or something, because each person is an independent individual consciousness leading their life. But what we are doing, that leading, the power to lead, the power to create what we want to lead, that power is used to deal life, to deal problems, or to solve problems, to deal the issues, and that way a lot of people are bleeding in their life. This is what, as you come to know about this, how quickly you can live a life, create situations, and then live life, so that it requires a transformation, not at the periphery level. It's not enough that we get transformed at the periphery level for a moment, for a temporary situation. Let it be core. Let the transformation be core. And the core transformation is known as when you get transformed in your basic awareness itself. Because the power of your awareness, what is that your awareness is aware of? What are the actions that your awareness is aware to take? Under what vibrations those actions have been performed, and the awareness is aware of those vibrations. And that's where you require that core intrinsic transformation within you, and which is very simple. As you really go through the sessions, you'll have this. So let's know this knowledge. Let's have this empowerment right now. Little bit of whatever the basics we are exposing and unfolding to you right now, let it lead you to take a powerful decision to register yourself in a continuous program of 21 days of not only receiving this education of energy, receiving this knowledge of existential intelligence, but also parallelly every day we will have processes, we will have kriyas, what we love to call as livings of life. It's a way of life, it's a livings of life. As you are into different segments, conducting this thing, cooking, walking, conducting meeting, but in the mindset how you are so intact in setting up to the tone, and receiving and attracting the exactly what you really want in life over a period of time, over some months. As you travel and have the mastery on this, you will gain this momentum and you live well. The whole goal of this journey, yes, we do have registration fee and all those things, very minimum, but the agenda, the whole motive is each and every person, let everybody own their life, live the life of their choices, because you are born with the power to live it. Otherwise there won't be anybody like us, like, as you know, Jaidev Sharma, you don't require another person to come and say life is a struggle and all those things. And or if somebody says life is very easy, then also that's a deception. People look at it like a deception. Oh, what is this person suddenly coming? What is this person trying to do? Because people have concluded life, whatever I have done, I have done, and this is what life has created for me, and I will have only this life. Or certain people are thinking and concluded life. They have taken a conclusion in their life saying that these are the problems, these are the issues that will keep persisting in life. That is what life is known as. And I am here as a problem solver till the life is there, till I am, to the extent I am. And in the expansion and the extension of I am, I have to keep solving the problems. This is what the conclusions are. The struggles and stepping stones and all those things have been really prevailing in this life. But anybody who knows his or her power and lives the truth very genuinely religiously for some period of time, then that person gets liberated. That's what successful people, people who are doing well in their life, they are all with or without their knowledge, their whole of their vibration is that. So we are talking about vibrational intelligence, which is in the education of this existential intelligence. And as the syllabus unfolds, you will have more powerful things. So let's get into the session. We'll really unfold it with a slide so that you can really follow us and know it. And more than understanding, you will realize, because this knowledge has to be realized, and then it will be understood on its own. But don't get dependent to understand this. Get realized. So this is inner connection, joyously presenting Joy's journey with Jaydev. But we want you to add your name there. Joy's journey with you, whatever your name is. That wonderful, powerful name is the journey with you. The inner connection. Why the name connection? Inner connection. Any successful people, when you go and talk to them, any thinkers, deep thinkers, gurus, very simple. They rejoice their connection within themselves, because once a person, if you are in some kind of a life problems or whatever you call, the moment you connect with yourself, with the realization, the power of yourself, the power of your attraction, the vicinity, and the broader, the breadth of your, the components that are available through which you can find solutions, attract solutions, and then become well or do something, is something very huge, which normal people are not habituated. They're living and gaining on, they're creating momentum for what is not wanted. With or without the knowledge, there are so many people are thinking that I'm chasing a life that I really want, without knowing that they are really, really blocking what they want. And that's where, the connection is very powerful. Connection with you. Everywhere you are, be connected with you. And then your decision making, your leadership, your operations in life is something very different. That has to be practiced. And that's why this session, 21 days of half an hour every day morning, and the intro session is right now happening for that journey actually. We not only know the education, but also the practice of it, and then the habit of it. Because not stuffing with the education, stuffing with the knowledge, but the habit of it, practically, logically practicing it, day-to-day basis. That's the power actually. That's what we are into. So as we go, okay, your existential power, this is your power of existence. Your existence has got, these are the different spectrum of you, different segment of you, different components of you. And the outer component of you is physical component. That's what we know as, physical human form. The ability of the physicality, that is what is more powerfully tuned in the mind. We have programmed only that thing about what I can do physically, what I can do with action, what I can talk, the communication of it, the mindset of me. These are the physicality of you. And this is what is programmed with the mind. See, the second layer is mind, and the mind has been programmed only with the external abilities of you. Very seldom the mind has been programmed and tuned with the internal of you. There are external, internal, both for you. But the people who are really programmed their mind with the internal and the truth of the internal, they live well. They've got situations, but they don't go through it. They find what they want and then they create what they want. That means the creator, the mind as a creator is a powerful factor of you. It's a powerhouse of you. How you utilize, how you program it, how you produce it. That is what is very powerful. And we are talking about that mind. In the 21 days of segment, it will be all these things. The mind, how to prepare a mind, how to create a mind, a productive, powerful mind, which is invincible, because there are so many things happening at a time which pulls person outside. The distractions that come in life. That's where people get into agony, that people attract pain or something with or without the knowledge. But that has been accepted as a common routine of life. But right now, don't do that. They will not gain this knowledge and live well. So the mind plays a very powerful knowledge. Everybody knows that there is a physical of you, there is a mind of you, and there is an energy of you. And the people who are really successful are doing well, through their physicality and through their mind are those people who are really very good in leveraging their energy. And how can you leverage your energy? You can leverage your energy only through your vibrations. That's why vibration play a major role. Vibration is an intelligence that you're born with or without and all, we are not knowing it. There are so many people. Take an example of making money or becoming rich or something, a lifestyle that you really want to live or whatever it is. We have got, we have got belief system that you have to go through certain things and then get done all these things physically as a physical reality, as a belief. And after that, if you are succeeding, well and good. Otherwise, okay, you are not lucky enough to succeed. And we know so many people who have gained and then fulfilled all the fulfillments which are required to become successful. And then they are so religiously into that, but yet not created the productivity that they expected to create. And there are so many of them, they have not fulfilled the external qualification or something, but yet are the owners of 500 crores or 600 crores, but third grade, fourth grade, they have created some structured, business or something, factory. They have employed people who are qualified, and then through them, they are making money. So when you see this, everything is operating the language of vibration, the linguistic, the vibration that you are emitting, that you are creating. And once you become conscious creator of wonderful vibrations about your life, about what you want, about what you're doing, about the actions of you, about the communications of you, then you have the mastery of the mind. Mastery, that's the mastery. Otherwise, we are like serving, and the mind is the king, and then you are the servant. No, the mind should be the servant. It should be serving you, and you should create that mind through the vibration. All these things first seems strange, it sounds strange, but now the people are opening up their awareness for this knowledge, because now any person knows, if I can tap my energy and live that energy well, the body is well, the health is well, the body is well, the money flow is good, the people who are with me, they connect well with me, and the success, the desires that I have, the goals that I have, and the culmination of that goal into a physical reality is faster and smoother when I'm operating from energy. And while right now I've learned only to operate physically, but I possess that energy. This is what is very powerful to know. Because people think that I'm born only physically, and then the externals are the only thing that is influencing me and ruling me. That's why that's a huge crowd that is living in this place. But there are a small segment of population who have tapped their energy, they are leveraged their energy. They know that they are beyond their physical body, flesh and bone, and it's not a philosophy that I heard, they live it practically and then they utilize them well. And this is where we are creating. Every day we will be connected, and then as you are connected in these live sessions, you will get connected to this education, practicalities of it, live them well, find out your logical terms in that, and then you create, you design your own destiny, your own creations, your own experiences, because you have born to create. You're a born creator, and the power to create is always born with you. But the power of creation lies in the power of attraction, not law of attraction, power of attraction. And all these things, all this knowledge has been lived by our great ancestors in India for last more than so many thousands of years. They have constructed, they have created their creations, they have structured their creations, and there are so many foreigners who studied it, and they have come to some conclusions like law of attraction. All those things are prevailing through this, and they did through the power of their vibration and through the power of their attraction. But as you are born with the physicality, you are also born with that non-physicality of you, where there is an energy, there is a moment of energy. That's where whatever you are living or going to live is created at first, and then it is showing up as a physical reality. Are you really good in being proactive in living your creations and creating what you want before the happening of it? Are you good in that? Become master in that. Become master. Because we do possess that aspect by birth, but seldom used. Very seldom used because we have been influenced only outside. Now we are training the mind. We are programming the mind with the power of that is you're born with. That's what existence of yours. Okay. So now as we talk about vibrations, which is the power of you, that is what is becoming your overall experiences in your life. And there is a physical of you, there is an energy of you in the by the side of it. The outer version of you is physical, and within that physical is energy. And how good you are through the mind, through the physical, through the mind, tapping that energy and living it well with health, people, money, success, situations, powers. We'll talk about it right now. Because the language of everything that is outside of you is responding to your vibrations. It's operating because of your vibration. Because that means you are the operator and creator through your vibration of whatever you call external life is. All these days, people have been thinking the externals are ruling me. They think the situations are, they're dancing according to the tune of no. You are the creator of the situations. As you know it, as you gain the power, as you master it, as you become self-reliant instead of external dependent too much, self-reliant and live the powers that you're born with, live them well, use those powers well, then you need not apply force in your life. Otherwise, a person who doesn't know the truth, who doesn't believe in the power, only in the external power, when they believe in external power, it's okay, but internal power that you are born with, these are your powerful birth power. And when the person is not knowing this truth or not realize or not accepting it, they have to apply force consistently lifetime. But as you gain this knowledge, become genius creators and use your powers, leverage your energy and create what you want. Let the force operate through your power. You need not apply it. So what is the vibration that you learned? That means a body to be healthy, the vibration of well-being should be created. If you become really expert and good in creating the vibration of well-being, the body is first and foremost responding to your vibrations. Negative vibrations, the body. See, every inkling of your life, every inkling of your outer life, the body, everything is outside of you. Every inkling of your life is operating on the base of attraction. Right from the morning till in the night, what is that you're attracting? That is what you're getting. Without attraction, nothing getting. Whatever is created by you, that's what you're attracting. We think that I'm putting action, I'm doing this, I'm going there, I'm conducting this, it is because of me, I am doing this, I am the designation of. We think all those things, but ultimately, without your knowledge or with your knowledge, everything is becoming your vibration, and that is what is attracting results, rewards, outcomes of life. How good you are in generating your own vibrations. See, your life is your life, and your personal agam, that you know the core of you, and that is what is your puram, that is what is your periphery of you, outside of you. It's yours. That life of you is here. It's not common to everybody. It is your life. But the mass consciousness come out, somehow come here to believe that what is happening to others is generally to everybody. That's where the error is happening. Each one of you now has to live your power. The purpose of life is to live your power, and the power handles and creates everything. But first and foremost, you should know the education of it, live it well. So vibration. So there are so many people in this knowledge. Recently, there are people who are husband and wife. Her name is Suguna. Started attending sessions, so it's somewhere in the mid of this session, her husband attracted something what is prevailing outside, you know, and then he was taken out of the house, isolated or something. And then she's so anxious because worried, fear, all those things are there because the fear is seeping in. And she was worried and talking to our friends who are the founders of this organization, through whom this organization running. And then she spoke to Sudevan sir. And as she spoke, and then he said, focus on what you want. focus on what you want, create the energy, live the energy, generate the vibration through your energy. You know how to get into the devotion of it, into the breath of it. Be in that for 5 minutes every moment, be there in the 5 minutes and do it. That's what you learned. And then immediately she started and then generated the vibration about her husband being at home, well, quarantined at home, and then regular simple treatment, and he is becoming well, becoming well, and the well-being about other. And that person and her husband also knows this knowledge, so he is also doing it at the same time as he's being going through certain conditions there. But we know, become unconditional with certain conditions. How to live unconditional, how to isolate yourself. The vibration has to get isolated. It should not be touchy. It should not be sticky. It should not get attached to the circumstances. It should be with you. That's the mastery of you. And then he generated it. And then in the evening itself, they send him back home and said, you just require home quarantine. Amidst of so much of confusion around where to go, what to do, where, and then he's back home. That's conscious creation. The difference in the health, the condition of the health was revived through the vibration, and the body started responding, and now it is more than a month, both of them living well, healthy. Okay. See the knowledge, living well. People, we got many things, 20 years of journey. There are so many counseling. If anybody is ready for lifetime, we can give testimonial after testimonial for this. But right now, Vijay Lakshmi, a senior citizen, attending the sessions, 3 sessions continuously, 321 days continuously attending. She had the desire and urge, to have a close knitted family of her son and daughter-in-law and her grandchildren, who were very rare to her vicinity. And she was not having the time or not attracted. So now she knows that she has not attracted it, and going through something, and then going through that melancholy and that loneliness of life, and then after receiving the knowledge, getting into her power, getting into discretion, getting into the authenticity of it, creating the vibration of it, not becoming needy for things, but creating the worthiness of things. And now the whole family is gelling around her, and she is enjoying her grandparenting. See, this is conscious creation, this attraction, core attraction she created. And there are so many senior citizens where their children are outside. We know the parents of, Lavanya and Madhu. That means, the Madhu's parents who are in Kerala, and his father attracted some meal or something. But knowing this knowledge, living well, being positive energy, came back home, living well. And when the son and daughter-in-law calls them, he says, hey, I am with my energy. My energy is taking care of me, everything. What else a person wants in life? One should know this knowledge and live well. Money. There are so many money matters that has happened through these sessions. Through these sessions has happened so powerfully. We know, there are so many people, business people who are attracted business, attending the sessions, how to create the vibration of prosperity. They created the vibration of prosperity. They created the vibration of prosperity. That's what their power was actually. And as they created the vibration of prosperity, the money flow in. See, because money is not responding to anything, how much a person is qualified. Money is not looking at whether the person is a good person or not good person, whether the person is tall or short or something. The money is not looking at backgrounds or anything, as we have got used to see the backgrounds of life. But the money, it only looks at whether the person is living my vibrations well, and then it gets attracted. If the person is living the scarcity, money scarcity, that's what happens. So there are opportunities, there are options. Okay, very powerful. So we know a person, some months back, Indra, who is in this journey, in way back, in way interior south, somewhere in Tamil Nadu, having her own factory, setting up a garment factory, never imported or exported, done something previously, but now attracting a very good Business, very good business. She was focused on creating the vibrations, orders. She wanted orders from a good customer, a prevailing order, a container order from outside the country. And then suddenly she receives a mail, she receives a call, and then not well versed in English, but that broken English is communicating gets fulfilled. That buyer is well, the buyer is okay, and then in some European country, and then she's getting a scheduled monthly order of some containers. Now she has to outsource other factories and get the order done, the garment order. In the pandemic, we're talking about in the pandemic. See, the situations are different, but don't close. Get close with your energy. Your energy does not, the energy and the creation process of you, in the agam of you, in the core of you, in the womb of you, the energy that prevails, which is already available for you to become your experiences, don't underestimate it. Don't underestimate it with respect to the methods, with respect to the belief system of the external. It is not operating on all those things. It is operating on different principles. The siddhant of it is something totally higher dimensional, very simple. It's very simple to get habituated with it. The word is habituated. Come join, get registered yourself, know this knowledge, lifetime knowledge, and educate. Get educated. Success, very powerful success. Youngsters, very powerful, very wonderful. They are achieving success, creating their own career. We know Sarvesh Kumar. Okay. Getting into CA, and then the whole dream, that boy's dream was to get into Deloitte, a company which is a prestigious company, wanted to work for that. That's a vision. That's the vision. See, this knowledge, 21 days of knowledge, will teach you how to live the vision before experiencing it. Because the visionaries are very good in living the vision before the happening of it. But the normal people are needy for the happening of it. And that's why they are not able to get to live what they are visualizing, what they are wanting, what they are expecting. It's happening within you. It's happening in your non-physical aspect of you. And this part has got the dream, that desire, that vision, and living it religiously. And the final year came, and then the campus interview is happening, and that's a very normal Vivekananda college, very good college, very powerful college, but not that global awareness. But the Deloitte company is coming there, it is selecting people, and the selection process is all over India, global, and few people are selected. And in that campus, he is selected, one interview, two interview, three interview, and whenever he used to go, parents, everybody's in the session, and he used to tell them, the energy is there, I know how to leverage energy is performing for me. All the celebrities, all the sports stars, if you go and talk to them, they know that over a period of time, while they're playing the game in midst of the spectators and winning the game for their country, winning something for their country, they're not doing it physically. They don't know the physicality of them. It's happening at that energy level. And there are so many factors with all of us where we get blinded with situations, get into something, and then we must it, we want it, and that momentum of it which carries, and the energy performs and get it done for us, right? How to consciously live it, that's what. So Sarvesh lived it, passed everything. Ultimately, the announcement day came. Everybody is there in the hall. He with his parent is there. And the first name that popping up is Sarvesh Kumar. Everybody is looking at him. His parents are speechless. Tears are running. Tears are running out of them. But this boy says, it's just very calm. And he came back, and then he gave the feedback in our forum. And he said, sir, I already been living it for years. It was not new to me. So I was not excited at all. It was just another thing happening to me. See the terminology people, the youngsters are living. For them, the miracles are not miracle. It's a conscious creation. I had to create it. I had to prepare the energy of it, live the energy of it, and after that energy takes care. And the thought process is different with these children, these corporates, these people, the business people, the housewives. There are so many of them in this journey. For them, once it is done in the energy, done. Then there is no kind of a normal thought process like will it happen, when it happen, whether the how part of it, how the how gets totally disappeared, dissolved, because they have found out the way what really works, and then they work on it really very well. This is what is very powerful. Situations of life, a lot of times the situations are deception. We have seen so many people falling prey to situations and conditions where you have your own vibration, not to see that vibration is given to you by birth, not to come out of the situation, not to overcome life, not to face life, not to really tolerate life, but to create what you want. The power is given to you. You are born with that power only to create, not to face, tolerate, or overcome. But we are using that power for not for the purpose that it is given, but for the purpose that we see in life, what we got used to. Now we should be really intellect and intelligence both, and then we should co-create that intellectual of you and the intelligence of you so well, so that you lead life, so that you don't deal life. And then when you are leading life, dealing life, you bleed in life. Don't do that. Be very good in leading. Always lead life. Let life come behind you, pursue you, and become you and live you. Now, stay ahead of your creations, stay ahead of your circumstances. Let what circumstances you want to experience, let it follow you. Let money chase you. Let fame or whatever you want, let it pursue you. You be really very good in leading and staying ahead in your life. So the situations, not to handle it, create. Powers, there are so many powers outside of you. That's what we have been tuned after the age of, till the age of 5 or 6. We know the children are the God power. But after that, it is outside of you. It is some distance. The separation is a very strong word, but we get into that and then we do good. So those things are good. But knowing that you are born with the power to realize the power outside is what is very powerful. So that power, the God energy, the universe energy, whatever you talk about, whatever the faith that you have on God or anything, religion or anything, all those things are responding only to your vibration. They are not responding to your situation. Many people say pray God, and then they say at least now open your eyes, be kind, and then the God says no, I'm only responding to your vibration. Raise it, raise it, raise it, raise it, get blessed, be blessed, get blessed, and then create what you want. And that's where the God is very happy. Hey, this person is very good, this person is believing himself or herself, my job is done, my job is done. Really very powerful. This is what this journey is. 21 days of journey of so many syllabus into this of education energy. Very interesting. It's like, we don't want to use the word mind blowing or something as a promotional talk or something. You come, receive it in your silence, in your calmness, receive your power, live your power on a consistent basis, create a routine of you, and let that routine be a successful routine to you for your lifetime. Much appreciation. It was really nice talking to you. The next batch is beginning from 7/6/2021 to 21/6/2008. It's a 14th batch, and the timings are 6:45 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. That's in English session. 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. is Tamil session. 6:45 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. is English session every day, with this knowledge, with this positive vibration, in this joyous, blissful morning. Every day you get up, you leave certain vibrations of you right away in the morning, so that let it pervade throughout your day, throughout your system. Let it pervade and let it live, and then let life assimilate to that. See, life is a wonderful gift, and you are the power who is born. You are the powerful creation. You are a power of that. And live your life. That living is what is very powerful. And life is exactly reflection of how you are living it. And the living is through your existential knowledge, existential intelligence. Learn living. Learn living. And as you learn living, as you get used to that living, then you are supposed to live life that you have been living. So let's enjoy the journey of creating the life of your choice. That living the journey of your choices, what a powerful thrill it is. To know more about, contact these numbers that has been laid down in this slide. Very, very, very excellent. The registration money energy for this is 2000 rupees initially, and the people are repeating. It's been 14th batch of almost a year. You know, people wanted it early morning, every day morning, to practice this as an habit, and that's why they are receiving it. And then we want all of you to get registered, know this lifetime knowledge, live this lifetime knowledge, and be create your life. Create your life instead of facing your life. Create your experiences instead of going through your experience. Be a powerful creator. Be a wonderful experiencer of what you're creating, knowing that intrinsic knowledge about is very powerful. So let's enjoy creating. Okay. So we are so happy. We are expecting all of you. We are, register yourself right now. We will be see you tomorrow morning, 7th morning, 6:45 a.m. Zoom online live session with all of you. And let's enjoy. Let's enjoy the moment, and let's create the moment. Let's create the moment. Much appreciation. We really appreciate your time. You listening to this very powerful knowledge as an introduction session, and really looking forward to meet all of you. And let's enjoy the journey. Let's enjoy the journey of creating your vision, and thereby everybody's living the life of their discretion really very well. So much appreciation, much appreciation, and we say bye right now. We'll see you on 7/6/2021. Namaste and namaskaram to all of you. Be happy and be with yourself and enjoy.